Hi all. So before I start my story, I request you all to repeat what I say after that. If suppose someone keeps some delicious food in front of us, how do we feel? Yes? Can you all? Oh, fine. I'll start my story now. Long ago, there is a king goes for hunting in the forest. There's a monster lives in the forest. So the monster kills everyone who comes into the forest, kills them and eat them. So the king was so tired after hunting, he's taking rest under a tree where the monster is hiding. The monster says the king, "Yeah, today I got a yummy meal, I'm going to eat this guy." Then the king heard this noise. He was a little bit scary. Oh wow, what was that? The monster said, "I'm going to kill you." Then the king said, "Please don't kill me. I'm the king, please don't kill me." The monster said, "So what? If you are a king, I should not kill you?" The king said, No, you please don't kill me. I do one thing. I send some person to every day to this forest, so you eat them. Then the monster said, "Fine, okay, I accept this. But if you fail to do this, I will come to your village and I'll kill everyone." Then the king said, No, you please believe my words. I am the king. You please believe my words. Then the king went to his palace and he started discussing with his ministers. So I promised with a monster like this, now what I am going to do, I don't know. If I fail to do this, the monster will come to a place and it starts kill everyone. Then one of the ministers said, "Lord, we have prisoners, so why can't we send them every day to this monster?" The king said, "Yes, that's a good idea. Fine, we'll send the prisoners to the monster." So the days passed like this, and every prisoner goes to this monster and the monster kills them. It was going like that. And one day it was a turn for one of the prisoner. So he wants to go and meet the monster. So before he was going to meet the monster, he said to the minister, "I need some ghee rice and fish fries." So the minister just checked with the king. The king said, "Fine, anyway let him, he is going to die. Give some fish fries and ghee rice to them." Fine, so this guy took the ghee rice and fish fries, and the monster there in the forest waiting. He was so hungry. Then the man went to the forest. Then the monster was very hungry and it's looking for the human who is coming. Then the man came. The man entered into the forest. The monster is able to smell. Can everyone? Yes. Then the monster asked the man, "What was that? Some delicious smell is coming." The man said, "I brought some ghee rice and fish fries for you." Then the monster started having all the fish fries and ghee rice, and the stomach was so fully. And he said, "Oh, I'm so happy today." Then the monster said to the man, "Why can't you bring some delicious food for me tomorrow?" He said, "Fine, then there is one deal. So if you promise me you should not kill me anymore, then I will bring some delicious food every day." Then the monster said, "No, I am not going to kill you. You please make some delicious food for me." Then the next day the man brings with carrot halwa. Again the monster said, Yes, so he started eating everything. So it's going on like that. And the king also heard about this news. So the king was also happy, and the man also gives some delicious food for this monster every day. The monster became so very friendly to all. It didn't kill anyone, and everyone was happy in the place. That's pretty cool.